In front of me is Nokia 8.3, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So at first you need to reach the settings, then find and select System and go to the Advanced. As you can see, currently we do not have developer options here, so let's go to About Phone, scroll down and tap 7 times on build number. And as you can see, now we are a developer, so if we will go back and open System, you will be able to find developer options under Advanced. Just mark it, and here go a bit lower, and here we've got automatic system updates. So unless it is marked, just click on the switcher to activate automatic system updates. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.